नमस्कार। मैं अनिल गुप्ता राजकीय महाविद्यालय अजमेर के भौतिक विभाग से थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फिजिक्स फर्स्ट पेपर क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स में व्याख्यान के लिए उपस्थित हूँ। हमने we have learned uncertainty principle and uncertainty principle in uncertainty principle the uncertainty between the canonical conjugates, the product of canonical conjugate uncertainty is equal or greater than h cross by 2. Heisenberg proposed some thought experiments. First experiment is measurement of the position of an electron by using gamma ray microscope. Heisenberg pictured a microscope that obtained a high resolution by using high energy gamma rays for illumination. He imagined using this microscope to see an electron and to measure its position. He found that electron's position and momentum did indeed obey as uncertainty relation. That is, del x del px is equals to h Planck constant. Now, let us consider this diagram in which incident photon of momentum h by lambda 0, incident of an electron which is kept at O. So, an electron whose position is to be determined by using this gamma ray microscope. Let's photon of wavelength lambda are illuminating the electrons, and the electron is at point O at the same instant of time. We desire to ascertain its position by microscope. When a photon, after scattering from the electron at O, enters the objective of the microscope anywhere between the OA and OB, the electron is detected. The limit of resolution del x of the microscope is the minimum distance between 2 points which can be resolved by a microscope. This is the minimum uncertainty in the measurement of position of an object which is at point O. From the theory of microscope, it is given that is the resolution power. It is given that del x is equals to lambda by 2 sin alpha, and I mark this equation as first, where lambda is the wavelength of scattered photon and alpha is the half angle subtended at point O by the objective of microscope. Okay, so now let the scattered photon is moving along OA. As a result of scattering, some momentum is transferred to the electron, that is, which is assumed to be at rest before the scattering of photon. Now, from the conservation of momentum, when the scattered photon goes in the direction OA, the component of momentum in x direction is simply Pxa is equals to h by lambda 0 plus h by lambda sine alpha. H by lambda 0 is the incident photon momentum. Similarly, when the scattered photon goes in the direction OB, the component of momentum of electron in the direction is Pxb is equals to h by lambda 0 minus h by lambda sine alpha. So only change is of sign. Thus, detection of electron by microscope results into an uncertainty in momentum of the electron. The maximum uncertainty in the x component of momentum of electron is del px is to be determined by the subtraction of pxb from pxb. So it is pxa minus pxb. Now substitute the values of pxa and pxb. So del x del px, that is the product of uncertainty in momentum and position, is equals to lambda by 2 sine alpha into 2h by lambda sine alpha. So it become h. That is, when the position of an electron is measured by using microscope, then the product of uncertainty in position and momentum is of the order of h. H means Planck constant. So we cannot know the position and momentum of a particle accurately at the same time. This implies that any accurate position measurement partly alert the momentum of the particle in a manner which cannot be completely specified. The another thought experiment of the electron, which is also given by the Heisenberg, and it is diffraction of electron at a single slit. We have studied Fraunhofer diffraction at a single slit in optics in BSc second year, and you might have remember the diffraction pattern. There is a secondary maxima, there is a principal maxima. So the same way the diffraction pattern is also expected here. A theoretical analysis of the difference of plane wave associated with particles is also qualitatively verify the uncertainty relation. We consider the position momentum measurement of a particle whose momentum p is known accurately. Such a particle is described by a plane wave, that is, its position is completely unknown. To determine its position of the particle in the plane x is 0, we place a partition with a slit width small d in the plane. After passing through the slit, the y-coordinate of particle is known with an uncertainty equal to the width of slit, that is del y. So slit width is equals to delta by position in uncertainty in position, and it is marked as equation number 1. You can see this diagram. There is an electron beam, slit width small d, electrons beam of collimated beam of electrons is diffracting at an angle theta, and on a screen we are having diffraction pattern. So now, but in passing the slit, the beam suffer diffraction, and hence its momentum after going through the slit is no longer pg0 but has a component in bidirection. X direction, bidirection momentum is shown in this diagram. So first minimum of diffraction pattern occurs at angle theta, and by using diffraction condition it equals to d sin theta is equals to lambda. This is marked as equation number 2. Thus, the uncertainty in del y can be expressed as by using the above equation. So, delta y is equals to lambda upon sine theta. Now, corresponding to the deflection theta, the particle has a y component of momentum. Therefore, p y is equals to p sine theta, which is equals to lambda by sine theta. Hence, there is an uncertainty in the y component of momentum, which is corresponding to all angles of the deflection from minus theta to plus theta. Therefore, delta p y is equals to uncertainty in momentum, that is delta py is which is equals to uncertainty in momentum. Therefore, it becomes p sin theta minus of p sin minus theta, as angle varies from minus theta to plus theta, or delta py is equals to 2h by lambda sin theta. Hence, from equation 3rd and 4th, the product of uncertainty in position and momentum is equals to lambda by sin theta and 2h sin theta by lambda. So, it is again, the uncertainty product is again equals to 2h. These results also indicate that we cannot know the position and momentum of the particle accurately at the same time. This is a very important point. We are not in a position to determine the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. Very important. Any accurate position measurement partly alerts the momentum of the particle in a manner which cannot be completely specified. These are two thought experiments which are mentioned in our syllabus, and again we shall have some application of uncertainty principles. There are 4-5 uncertainty applications in our syllabus. So we shall start application from tomorrow. Thank you.